The cheesecake has always been a crowd favorite. It's a classic dessert, rich, creamy, and a perfect mix of flavors. Today, I'm showing you how easy it is to make these lovely desserts. No turning on the oven, no baking, and I put a fun twist on it. We're going to mix ground grahams and melted butter. Mix them until well combined. I'm going to place them in the jars. So I'm putting about 2 tablespoons. Use your fingers to flatten the ground grahams. So this will be your crust. Chill this in the fridge until ready to use. We usually add gelatin when making a cheesecake to help the mixture set and hold body, but this recipe does not call for it. The jar will keep the cheesecake together, giving it a smoother and creamier texture. So I'm going to add the cream cheese into the bowl. I'm going to beat it until it's creamy and soft. Going to add the sugar. Turn on to low speed and continue beating until the sugar and cream cheese are well blended. Okay, now I'm going to increase the speed to medium. Going to add the cream. Mix it first before turning on the machine. Turn on the machine to low speed. Okay, once they're starting to blend well, you can increase the speed to medium. Okay, I'm going to turn off the machine now because it's so creamy and smooth already. I'm going to add some zest of lemon to add some refreshing flavor. And then scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl. You just want to make sure everything is well blended. Okay, this is ready. I'm going to transfer the cheesecake mixture into the piping bag. Then cut the tip. Okay. Start filling the jars with the cheesecake mixture. Shake the jars to even the top layer. Place this in the fridge for 2 hours to set. Let's start cooking our strawberry compote. Add the strawberries into the pot. Water and sugar. Mix them together until the sugar is dissolved. Turn on the heat to medium and let it simmer until the liquid thickens. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes and you stir it occasionally. I'm going to add some lemon juice to add a little bit tart flavor. And then continue to stir. And then simmer for another minute. Okay, our strawberry compote is already thickened. I'm going to turn up the heat, transfer it to a bowl and let it cool to room temperature. I'm going to pour the strawberry compote on top of the cheesecake. color is so vibrant. It's very, very red. So I'm putting about 2 tablespoons. For the remaining desserts, let me show you how can you make this No Bake Strawberry Cheesecake in a jar as a Christmas present. So I have some Christmas ribbons here and the cover of the jar. And I have some dessert spoons here as well. Tie the ribbon, and then you insert the spoon here. These No Bake Strawberry Cheesecake in a jar are the perfect dessert for the holidays. It adds to the traditional red theme of the season, and they're a delight to make.